Our gut is like a second brain. It controls digestion and impacts our overall health. When we're stressed, our gut feels it. Stress can disrupt the balance of good and bad bacteria in our gut. This imbalance can lead to digestive issues like bloating, gas, and constipation. Chronic stress weakens the gut lining, making it easier for toxins to enter the bloodstream. This can lead to inflammation throughout the body. Taking care of our gut health is crucial for managing stress and improving overall well-being. Bone broth has been a staple in traditional diets for centuries. It's a nutrient-rich broth made by simmering animal bones, cartilage, and connective tissues for an extended period. This slow cooking process extracts valuable nutrients like collagen, gelatin, amino acids, and minerals. These nutrients provide numerous health benefits, including gut healing and stress reduction. Bone broth is a versatile ingredient that can be enjoyed on its own, used as a base for soups and stews, or even added to smoothies. Its rich flavor and numerous health benefits make it a valuable addition to any diet. Bone broth is a gut-healing powerhouse. This ancient remedy has been used for centuries across various cultures, not just for its rich flavor, but for its numerous health benefits. It contains gelatin, which helps to soothe and repair the gut lining. Gelatin is derived from collagen, a protein found in animal bones, skin, and connective tissues. When simmered for hours, these components break down into a gelatinous substance that is easily absorbed by our bodies. This is especially beneficial for people with leaky gut syndrome, a condition where the gut lining becomes permeable, allowing toxins to enter the bloodstream. Leaky gut can lead to a host of health issues, including inflammation, allergies, and autoimmune diseases. The amino acids in bone broth, such as glutamine and glycine, also contribute to gut health. These amino acids are the building blocks of proteins and play a crucial role in maintaining the structure and function of our gut lining. Glutamine helps to maintain the integrity of the gut barrier, preventing harmful substances from leaking into the bloodstream. It also supports the growth and repair of the gut lining, making it an essential nutrient for those with digestive issues. While glycine supports the production of stomach acid, which is essential for proper digestion. Stomach acid helps break down food, absorb nutrients, and kill harmful bacteria. Without enough stomach acid, our digestion can become compromised, leading to various gastrointestinal problems. By reducing inflammation and promoting a healthy gut microbiome, bone broth can alleviate digestive discomfort and improve overall gut health. A healthy gut microbiome is crucial for our overall well-being, as it influences everything from our immune system to our mental health. So, incorporating bone broth into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to support your digestive health and enhance your overall quality of life. Bone broth is packed with essential nutrients that are often lacking in modern diets. Collagen, a protein found in bones, cartilage, and tendons, is abundant in bone broth. Collagen provides the building blocks for healthy skin, hair, nails, joints, and bones. It also supports gut health by strengthening the gut lining. Glycosaminoglycans, another type of nutrient found in bone broth, help to reduce inflammation and support joint health. These nutrients, along with minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, make bone broth a nutritional powerhouse. Section 5. Bone broth for leaky gut. Bone broth has been gaining popularity not just for its rich flavor, but also for its numerous health benefits, particularly for gut health. Leaky gut syndrome is a condition where the gut lining becomes permeable, allowing undigested food particles, bacteria, and toxins to enter the bloodstream. This permeability can lead to a host of problems, as these foreign particles can trigger the immune system. This can trigger inflammation and contribute to various health issues, including autoimmune diseases, allergies, and chronic fatigue. The inflammation caused by leaky gut can also exacerbate conditions like irritable bowel syndrome and Crohn's disease. Bone broth can help heal leaky gut due to its high concentration of gelatin. Gelatin is derived from collagen, which is found in animal bones and connective tissues. When simmered for hours, these components break down into a nutrient-rich broth. Gelatin helps to seal the gaps in the gut lining, reducing permeability and preventing further damage. This sealing effect can help to restore the integrity of the gut barrier, making it less likely for harmful substances to pass through. The amino acids in bone broth, such as glutamine, glycine, and proline, also play a crucial role in repairing and strengthening the gut barrier. Glutamine, in particular, is known for its ability to support the regeneration of the gut lining. By improving gut integrity, bone broth can alleviate symptoms of leaky gut and support overall digestive health. Regular consumption of bone broth can lead to better nutrient absorption, reduced inflammation, and a stronger immune system, contributing to overall well-being. Section 6. Bone broth for stress reduction. Stress can wreak havoc on our gut health, but bone broth can help counteract these negative effects. The amino acid glycine, found abundantly in bone broth, has calming effects on the brain. Glycine acts as an inhibitory neurotransmitter, helping to reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. It also supports sleep quality, which is often compromised during times of stress. By reducing stress levels and improving sleep, bone broth indirectly supports gut health and overall well-being. Making bone broth at home is surprisingly simple. With just a few basic ingredients and some patience, you can create a nutritious and delicious broth that can be used in a variety of dishes. You can use bones from any animal, but beef, chicken, and fish bones are popular choices. Each type of bone brings its own unique flavor and nutritional profile to the broth. First, roast the bones to deepen their flavor. Roasting the bones enhances the flavor of the broth by caramelizing the natural sugars in the bones and meat. This step is crucial for a rich, deep flavor. Simply spread the bones on a baking sheet and roast in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 30 to 45 minutes. Make sure to turn the bones halfway through to ensure even roasting. Next, add water and vegetables. The water will extract the nutrients and flavors from the bones, while the vegetables will add their own flavors and nutrients to the broth. Transfer the roasted bones to a large stock pot or slow cooker. Using a slow cooker can be particularly convenient as it allows you to simmer the broth for a long time without having to monitor it constantly. Add enough water to cover the bones by a few inches. This ensures that all the bones are submerged and can release their nutrients into the broth. You can also add vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions for additional flavor and nutrients. These vegetables are classic choices, but feel free to experiment with others like garlic, leeks, or even herbs like parsley and thyme. Then, simmer for hours. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce heat to low and simmer for at least 12 hours, or up to 24 hours for maximum nutrient extraction. The longer you simmer, the more nutrients and gelatin will be extracted from the bones, resulting in a richer, more nutritious broth. Skim off any foam that forms on the surface during cooking. This foam is made up of impurities and should be removed to keep the broth clear and clean. Finally, strain and store. Once the broth is done, strain it through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove any solids. This will give you a smooth, clear broth that is ready to use. Let the broth cool completely before storing it in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 5 days or freezing for longer storage. Bone broth can be used as a base for soups, stews, sauces, or even enjoyed on its own as a warm, nourishing drink. Making bone broth at home not only saves money, but also ensures you know exactly what ingredients are in your broth, making it a healthier choice for you and your family. Section 8. Incorporating bone broth into your diet. Bone broth is incredibly versatile and can be easily incorporated into your diet. Enjoy a warm cup of bone broth as a soothing and nourishing drink any time of day. Use bone broth as a base for soups, stews, sauces, and gravies to add depth of flavor and nutrients. You can also add bone broth to smoothies for a protein and nutrient boost. Get creative and experiment with different ways to enjoy the gut healing and stress-reducing benefits of bone broth. Section 9. A healing tradition. Bone broth is more than just a trendy health food. It's a time-honored tradition that has nourished cultures for centuries. Its rich flavor and numerous health benefits make it a valuable addition to any diet. Whether you're looking to heal your gut, reduce stress, or simply improve your overall well-being, bone broth is a delicious and accessible option. Embrace the healing power of bone broth and experience its transformative effects on your health and vitality.